Pardhu Tech Channel. Reservation quota for BDS holders to apply for MBBS admission restored. The Kerala government has reinstated the reservation quota for BDS holders to apply for MBBS admission in the state after 16 years. The reservation seats were not set aside for BDS holders from 2007, citing a shortage of applicants. In 2011, the government issued an order terminating the reservation quota for BDS graduates in MBBS admissions. The quota has been restored on account of the rising demands from BDS holders and the report of the Medical Education Director recommending to reinstate the quota. The state government has directed to change the prospectus for the entrance examination of 2023 to 2024 accordingly. The MBBS admission will be carried out based on the rank list prepared on the basis of the NET examination results. Currently, one seat will be reserved for BDS holders in a government medical college in the order of rotation. The seat will be granted in the following medical colleges in Kerala: Thiruvananthapuram, Kollam, Konni, Alappuzha, Kottayam, Idukki, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Manjeri, Kozhikode, and Kannur.
Please subscribe Pardhu Tech channel, like it and share it. Thank you.